Oh,
Sorry.
hey, bud.
He really wanted to come over here for some reason.
Oh, you're totally good, bud.
Now I can see why. Excuse me?
Yeah.
Can you help me get some water for my dog? The faucet's too tight.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I think it's stuck or something. Wow, you're really strong. So, what are you doing after this?
Oh, I'm just gonna go hang out with my dog.
You have a dog?
Well, I hope you have a good day.
You too.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I dropped my phone.
Oh, you're good. Let me get that free.
That was so silly of me.